This is LING 270, Language, Technology, and Society, Module 6, Artificial Intelligence. In this lesson, we'll be concluding our current module about artificial intelligence. So we've talked about in this module how devices have been invented for hundreds of years with the aim of mimicking human behavior. So really, the task of artificial intelligence is not a very new one. However, our technology has progressed to the point where we can have machines that answer questions, translate documents, and even play games to a skill that can meet or exceed the ability of humans. So this is kind of how artificial intelligence has developed kind of up until this point. Now, since our machines are very, very capable and can do a very wide range of abilities which we may have previously believed are exclusive to humans, we might ask the question, are these machines really intelligent? Now, and we've noticed that intelligence is actually a very complex and multifaceted concept. But nonetheless, we can still develop some kinds of thought experiments which aim to determine if a machine is intelligent or not. The first of which is the Turing test, which aims to use a human judge to determine if a machine is distinguishable from a human or not. And if it is the case that a machine and a human are indistinguishable, then we say that the machine is intelligent. We also talked about the Chinese room experiment, and which asks the question, if a machine can mimic human output, does that really mean that it is intelligent? So this kind of introduces this idea that intelligence has to do with something that is internal to the machine and internal to human consciousness. And we shouldn't, when we're talking about intelligence, we shouldn't just consider external behavior, we should also consider internal mechanics as well. Finally, we talked about how developments in AI have led to a great deal of optimism as well as pessimism. The optimists will argue that the artificial intelligence will take on tasks which are very arduous and difficult for humans and allow humans to focus on better things. But pessimists argue that the development of artificial intelligence could be very disruptive and could even be immoral or dangerous. But nonetheless, we have seen that because of the strengths of the developments of artificial intelligence, there is a consensus that AI is very significant, and it is something that we should be really understanding well and taking seriously going into the future.